In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Mailchimp for free. Whether you're starting a small business or you're in need of managing email marketing campaigns, Mailchimp is an excellent tool that offers a range of services to help you grow your audience and communicate effectively. By following these simple steps, you'll be on your way to setting up a free Mailchimp account in no time. First, we'll need to head over to the Mailchimp signup page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Mailchimp signup URL, or simply search for Mailchimp signup in your search engine. This will take you to the right place where you can begin the process. Once you arrive at the page, you'll notice it's designed to make the process as straightforward as possible. Next, the page will prompt you to enter your details. Here, you'll be required to provide an email address, a username, and a strong password. It's crucial that you choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. If you prefer a more seamless sign-up experience, you also have the option to use your existing Google account by selecting the Continue with Google button. This alternative saves you a bit of time, as it allows you to bypass the initial setup steps. Once you've entered your details or selected to continue with Google, it's time to create your account by clicking the Sign Up button. At this point, Mailchimp will send a verification email to the address you provided. Simply go into your inbox, look for the email from Mailchimp, and click the link inside to verify your account. This step is necessary to ensure that you're the rightful owner of the email address and to activate your new account. After verifying your email, you'll be welcome to complete your profile. Mailchimp will ask for some information to better understand your needs and to tailor your experience. You'll be prompted to enter your full name, which is essential for identifying your account. Although entering your business or organization's name is optional, it can be helpful if you're using Mailchimp for professional purposes. Similarly, including your website is optional as well, but can assist in personalizing your account. Moreover, inputting a physical mailing address is a non-negotiable part of the setup. This is important to comply with email marketing regulations, ensuring that all your campaigns adhere to legal standards. You'll also be asked about your marketing goals. Answering these questions allows Mailchimp to provide resources and suggestions that align with your objectives. Finally, after completing your profile, it's time to choose a plan. Mailchimp offers various pricing options, but since we're focusing on the free plan, you'll want to select this one to proceed without incurring any costs. The free plan is ideal for those starting out, offering basic features that are sufficient for beginners in email marketing. And there you have it. You're now set up with a free Mailchimp account, ready to start creating your first email campaign or exploring the many tools Mailchimp offers. Stay tuned for more guides on maximizing your use of Mailchimp. Thanks for joining me today,